maybe you are thinking now, okay, I am not enough patient to create this. But this video is short, so let me show you how to create wooden effect with alcohol markers easily for your cards. The first step is to create a die cut with your chosen die. Next, choose an alcohol marker close to your picked cardstock color. Then pick another two, one in lighter shade and one in darker. Alright, let's start the coloring with the almost matching shade. I am coloring half of the cardstock. It doesn't need to be smooth, white lines are okay as well. And now I started to draw thinner lines until around 3/4. Next I am coloring with my lighter color from the top of the rectangle and I stop it somewhere at half. Then switching again, but this time with the darkest shade, and I am adding very thin light lines. I just almost touch the cardstock with my markers and trying to not push it. Now I am switching back to my first color and adding more details. Before I am adding highlights, I run it through my die cut machine with thanks die. I am adding soft lights with white pencil and hard lights with white pen. Next I made 4 additional die cuts, so now I have 6, including the colored one and the sample one as well. And I am adhering them together with liquid adhesive to get a heavy chipboard looking wooden sentiment. I have repeated the same process off camera with these letter die cuts, but I have used these lighter colors. Just one step next to the other, and yes, you can do it too. Here is an example how it looks like on a card, and if you enjoy coloring videos like this, then you will love my tips in this cookie coloring tutorial.